Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Causebox. Okay, so before we get started, let's go over the facts very quickly on Causebox. I'm gonna look at my little iPad over here and read to you. Causebox is a seasonal delivery of 6 to 8 hand-curated products for women. Every product has a story and makes the world better. There are membership options, and I will go over those in a moment. It says we don't just support brands that give back, we also give back. We partner with and serve different charities to help them raise funds, reach more people, and tell their stories of empowerment and impact. And there is no cancellation fee, no traps, no nonsense. You can pause your box, you can skip a box. There are any number of ways that you can have this subscription. And it costs per box $54.95. That's if you pay one box at a time, or it is $199.80 per year, which is how I renew my box. This is Little Dog. This is Grayson, in case you can see them. So it's $54.95 per quarter, or $199.80 per year. And if you have just the quarterly subscription, so if you pay for it quarterly, you do not have the option of customization. If you have the annual subscription service, you can customize, which means sometimes you can pick colors. If there's a choice between 2 different products, you can pick which product you would like. It just depends. This time we had a choice in one of the colors of the calf can is what they call it. It's not what I would call it, but that's what they call it, and which water bag you want it. Okay, so let's get in here. If you hear noises in the background, I'm sorry. My family is home. It's Father's Day weekend, and I know a few items in this box, but not everything, and I'm super excited. Causebox is up there in my top 3 favorites. Sometimes it's my number 1, just depends upon the box, but I'm really excited about this box. So excited. It's so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. And I keep this box. I have some giveaways coming that I need. I just spilled. Hang on. I keep this box. I have some giveaways coming up that I need to ship out, and I will definitely be shipping them out in this box, the FABFITFUN box, the Ellen box. It's fun to ship them out and reuse the boxes, especially because they're really pretty. Okay, here's the booklet. Now, this booklet is one of the best ones there is for subscription boxes. Also, like the bikini.com, the Wanderlust, there's great stuff in that one as well. In FabFitFun, there's great stuff. They're all filled with great things. But this one, there's stories. There's a whole bunch of information about the brands in the box. It's fantastic. This is so worth a read. This is like the kind of, you could take a subscription out to this magazine. That's how great it is. Okay, I'm gonna grab a sip of coffee and let's get started. Okay, so here's the pretty little sticker in there. Can you see that? Woo! All right, I love the stickers. There's also artwork in here that I really like. It's a postcard, but I keep them, and I have intentions of framing them and putting them on the walls and here in my filming room. I am so excited about this. Look at this. This is Altru, made for good. This is a woven bag. Look, you guys, this is so in style right now, these bags. And I kind of knew this was coming. I didn't really, but I sort of knew. And I've been holding off. Oh, I love that smell. I've been holding off buying one because, you know, they're expensive. And I'm so excited to have this in this box. I'm really excited. And in here is the tassels that tie onto it. Okay, so let's find out about this bag. 1 second. Okay, this is Altru, A-L-T-R-U, a gorgeous straw tote that screams summer, designed exclusively for the summer box. Proceeds from this product support ocean conservation initiatives across the world. Excellent. And then they have a whole write-up on it on a page in the magazine. I'm so happy to get this bag. You know, that's the thing. Sometimes trendy things, it's kind of hard to buy them because they're 1, expensive, and 2, you don't, you know, oh, this is so soft. You don't know how long they're going to be in style. But a straw tote, man, those have been around for years. And they're back on trend now, and I don't think they ever really go out of style. But we go to the beach a lot, we travel a lot, and this, see how small this packs? That's going in my suitcase. It's going on cruises with us. I'm so excited to have this. Let's put this on. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this. Super fantastic. Excellent. And it has a little dust bag, which is nice. Now, this was another thing you could customize. This is like a wet bag. So this is a wet bikini pouch made from 100% recycled fabric with custom for Causebox artwork designed by French artist Melanie Johansson. And it's Quagga Green, Quagga Green. Look, these are fantastic. So we use like microfiber towels when we go to the beach, and you can fold them up super small. So when they're wet and you're going back to port, it'll fit right in here. And this is like a waterproof bag. This is fantastic. I love this. That's awesome. Yeah, and it's a nice size. Like, I don't, this is like, I'd say that's a foot, and that's nearly a foot. So that's fantastic. You can definitely fit 2 of those microfiber towels in here, your wet bathing suit, whatever it is that's damp or wet. Or you can put your sunscreen and stuff like that in here sometimes, like when you're traveling especially, so in your checked bag. You would need a smaller bag for a carry-on, but you can put it in here, and if it squirts out or something, which I have had happen, and ruin a piece of clothing, you put it in here and it won't squirt out. So you can use this to store product in and stuff like that, your sunscreen, your lip balm, your things like that, that can leak or get mushy or that kind of thing in a hot day in port, can go right in here. I am so happy to have this. I love this. Scrunchies. I haven't had scrunchies in so long. Okay, so these are, okay, Banded Together is who makes this. Yes, Banded Together. A set of scrunchies just in time for an activity-filled summer. For every product branded sells, 3 meals are donated to children in need. Excellent. That is so awesome for sure. This is fantastic. 3 little scrunchies. I always throw my hair up at the beach, and what fun to have cute little colors like this. You know, you have it under a sun hat, you can wear it low, or if you have it up higher, these are great to kind of flip your hair through and kind of halfway pull through, get a little poofy bun up there. Great for the beach. Fantastic. These will definitely be used. It's so fun that scrunchies are coming back. I love that. All right, let's see. Here is the artwork right here. This is the postcard. It matches the box. I absolutely love that. And the artwork this month is by Antra Svarks, Antrasvarcs. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that. What a wonderful beach scene. I love it. Yep, I have a collection of these, and like I said, one day I'm gonna get it up on the wall. All right. Oh, this is one of the things we got to pick. Hanalei Papaya Enzyme Powder Face Cleaner. I'm so excited about this. I love facial cleansers. You can never have too many. I mean, you wash your face. I wash my face twice a day, so this is fantastic. A choice of 2 skincare products inspired by natural ingredients found in Hawaii. Both products are great for summer skin and contain some of our favorite botanicals. $24. Excellent. Yeah, so that's great. Let me open this. I won't be using this right now. I'm working through several skincare products. Facial cleansers. Where did my scissors go? But I'm telling you, you can never have too many facial cleansers, because that's the one thing you really, truly use up a lot. You know, that, sunscreen, moisturizers, things like that, you can really work through pretty quickly. Awesome. Okay, Papaya Enzyme Powder Face Cleanser. It is totally a powder. That is crazy. Put it in your hands, add water, rub hands together, create a foamy lather, apply cleanser to skin, onto face, and rinse with warm water. Do not ingest. Let's see if it has a scent. It's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. But yeah, I'm so excited about this. Enzyme cleaners in my skin get along really well. My skin likes them. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what's next. Ooh, sorry about that noise. All good high performance sunscreen without common ingredients that damage and bleach coral reefs and pollute our oceans. Organic ingredients, planet friendly, and great for your skin. Page 22. So the full story is SPF 30, sport sunscreen, reef safe, reef friendly, zinc formula, non-greasy. Okay, so it's a zinc formula, so it may leave a white cast on you, but honestly, that doesn't matter. I love a reef safe Sunscreen, we've recently switched all of our sunscreen because we weren't aware before, but we are now, to Reef Safe. Now I will say a Reef Safe sunscreen that's made with zinc like this is kind of difficult to get off after the day, but boy, do they protect you well from the sun. You still have to reapply, but they do protect you really well. So we travel a lot. We go on a lot of cruises, so we're at a lot of beach ports, and the sun is harsh in that water because it reflects off the water and it's more intense. So definitely wear sunscreen, and I'm so happy to have Reef Safe. That's just, I mean, if I'm gonna put my body in the Reef's home environment, in their world, I need to be respectful of it. No scent. So what I'm saying is you need to bring some sort of exfoliating, physical exfoliating, like sponge or something, to help you get Reef Safe sunscreen off. Just a little tip there, but it's really good stuff. I'm super happy to have this. This will be completely used up in this summer because we are going on 2 more cruises and the beach. We're going to the beach. Okay, so this I'm really excited about. So we received one in my Ellen box, in my last box, and it's a little bit bigger than this, and I love it. It's great for tea, coffee, on the ships and things like that. This one is Reduce 12 hours cold, shatterproof, vacuum insulated, reduce every day. So the idea behind this is you use this instead of like a paper cup or a disposable cup or that kind of thing. Where is it? Reduce every day, an insulated drink tumbler from a brand dedicated to replacing every disposable product with an improved, durable, and reusable alternative. More information on page 28. Yeah, excellent, excellent. It smells like that bag. That's so funny. But there you go. It's stainless steel on the inside. Nice top here. Keeps everything in there. Put a lid on it. Keeps your drink and everything else out. Drink in, everything else out. I wonder if it handles anything hot. I would imagine it does. But it says 12 hours cold. So whatever you want to put in here, you can put in here. And that's fantastic. You can slip a reusable straw in there if you prefer, which is how I prefer. So there you go. Excellent. This will get used constantly. I like the size of this. You know, a lot of them are really huge and I don't really care for that. This is actually small enough you can put in your purse. Put it in this bag and carry it around the ship with you. All right, here's the last item. Hold on. Okay, an endless versatile caftan that can be worn from beach to brunch. Inspired by Causebox community and handcrafted by artisans in India. Tribe Alive. There's more information on this on page 6. I love these. So we got one and I think it was like last fall, that is a wrap, and it is the softest wrap. I wear it all the time. It's summertime, I still wear it. In the mornings when I get up, it's cold in my house because my family is hot, and so I wear it all the time. I absolutely love it. Love it. I really wish I had brought it with me to Alaska. This one is more like a poncho than a, sorry little dog, than, you know, than that. But that's okay. I will wear this one too. This one is super lightweight, great for the summer. And you know what you could do? You could have this. So this could be a bathing suit cover up, and you could put it on and then belt it. Not, you know, some sort of tie around the waist, and it would be a great little bathing suit cover up. Because when you've been at the beach all day, you've been in the sun, no matter how much sunscreen, sometimes going back to the ship on the buses or on the catamarans or however you're getting back to the ship, it can get a little chilly with the breeze coming in off the water, the damp air, you're in the shade or in the air conditioning. These are great to keep you nice and warm because your towel is wet. So I love this kind of thing. It's not too much, it's nice and lightweight, folds up small, fits in the bag. Fits in this bag. Excellent, excellent. So I love it. What you could do is you could like put it in here and keep it nice and dry and sand free when you're at the beach and stuff, and then take it out and you have it to put on. Maybe find a little scarf or something to help you wrap it around your waist. I don't know, like a canvas belt, you know, the kind that you just tie. That'd be really cute with this to wrap around this. Nice and easy to carry with you. Okay, now, you know what? I don't know how much everything is total in this box. They don't really give you a total, but This is awesome. This is really, really awesome. So let's see if we can't figure out a total. Oh, there are a ton of coupons back here. Yep, that's fantastic, especially for like the sunscreen. Oh, look, in the magazine today, I'm grateful for you. You can do a little journaling in here. Ooh, these are great to read on the plane. I like reading this kind of thing on the plane. Oh, there's information about, oh, recipes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love this box. I absolutely love it. Now, there's no real information. I bet if I went to each one, it would tell me. Just know it's a great value. It is an excellent value, and I just really love it. Anyway, I don't have any kind of code for you. I don't have any of that, but if you're a first-time Causebox subscriber, you can go to the website, enter in your email, and they will send you a coupon. Yeah, sometimes it's $10, sometimes it's, I think it's $10 to $15, around in there. So there you go. All right, I am going to go put on my bathing suit. We're gonna go hang by the pool because it is Father's Day weekend, and that's what we are doing this weekend. So there you go, that's everything. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you haven't given Causebox a try, I hope you will. And we will see you next time. Bye.